Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. It's time for our end of June garden tour. I really haven't even had time to do any cleaning or really much of anything in my garden because of all the rain that we've been having this week. Hey everybody, I'm Nikki. I live for DIY projects, gardening, cooking, and just being my unique self. It's time to party, baby. Meanwhile, my husband and I are raising our daughter and son, both with special needs. And we can't forget to add Delta and Nala, our German shepherds, to the mix of shenanigans. Yes, it's a lot, but I love it. I love them, so it's all worth it. Welcome to my channel, the everyday life of an OCDish chick. I have not come in to clean up any old leaves, like nothing. It's been so wet and rainy. The hostas are still gorgeous. Chicago pickling cucumber. So we have some flowers here. That's always a promising sign. Yeah, it's growing, so that's a good sign. Oh my goodness. Wow, I was not expecting that one. Well, doggone it, all this rain we've been having, shoot. Yeah, so this one is the Market More cucumber. I'm gonna let it get just a little bit bigger and then I'll come out and harvest that. So my experience of the Market More, it is very prolific, coming and coming and coming. So really glad to finally get some cucumbers. Strawberries here. Okay, let's head inside. And as I mentioned, I haven't done any cleaning up. There are a lot of yellow leaves here that I need to get in here and clean up. Got beans to harvest. Look at this. Food dangling. All right, so it's looking like this is not only a garden tour. It's pretty cloudy out here, not a whole lot of sun. See, we've got some green beans as well. I was able to harvest these bush beans. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How? It's a jungle in there. You all know I like them young and tender. This is far from young and tender. Thumbnail. So what will I do with this? I will probably make some zucchini fritters with this one. I'll shred it, add some other veggies, crack an egg, and fry it up. So that's what I'm gonna do with this big mamma jamma. It's huge, oh my God. Yeah, I definitely don't let them get this large, not on purpose. A lot of rain. You see what all that rain did? Here's another zucchini squash here. I believe this one is the gray, I believe. Here in this bed, I've got lemon balm, just some regular mint here, Swiss chard, what's left of it. This has been growing since the fall. My collard greens have gone to seed as well. Let's see. Here I've got some lettuce, which is well overdue for harvesting. This lettuce here has sent up a flower stalk as well. So it'll flower and go to seed. Just some pops of color here and there. Alyssum. My sweet potato slips, collard greens going to seed. Sunflowers. My Cambridge mixed flowers. Here's some mint here. Was that mint or flower? No, this is a flower. That almost looked like mint to me. Just some flowers back there. I'm still waiting on this daffodil flower. Nothing yet. Eggplant. I see a blossom there. Here's another flea beetle. As you can see, these flea beetles are relentless this year. Man. Daisies. Oh, look at the baby bee. Good to see you, fella. I planted some kale in here. Three different varieties of kale. And I see that it's coming up. Dwarf Siberian kale. I planted some lacinato kale. down this row here. And then I also planted some more here. The red Russian kale. Got some mint, trying to keep the pest at bay. Rosemary. Yoo-hoo. Coleus. Carrots. More kale. Cranberry crush hibiscus there. Yeah, lots of mint. Here's a tomato here. Oh my gosh, there's a tomato at the bottom. Wow. Didn't even know that was down there. Little Marvel peas. Yeah, it's a wrap on this. I've got to pull this out. I do see some peas there. Nice and fat and plump. Love that. I'll come back for those later. My tomatoes here. I see this is the San Marzano. Finally, I'm seeing some fruit. This is my new favorite. I love that San Marzano. Remove these yellow leaves while I'm out here. Yeah. I mean, this thing is loaded. So that's like 4 clusters of San Marzano tomatoes. Love it, love it. This is my butter crunch lettuce. It has sent up its flower stalk, giving that signal to the plant to reproduce. So it's going to flower and make those seeds. Yeah, I'm okay because this thing has given back more and more and more. So I'm not mad. So I have, this is, I guess you can call this tomato row. Got all these different varieties of tomato. Oh, I see all this rain has, I think this is a second San Marzano because I love it so much. Fruit everywhere. Fruit over here, fruit over there, fruit everywhere. More tomatoes, tomato row. Some lettuce. This is pepper row. And lots of different varieties. This is the leisure here. It is so hot and humid out here. Sweet shishito. I've got, let me just go ahead and do it. The chili pepper. This is a sweet red cherry. What else is in here that I can see? California Wonder, yellow bell pepper. Nala, did you want to join me? Did you want to join me on the garden tour? Nala recently got spayed. We have to keep a close eye on her. She got spayed a week ago. The good thing is she hasn't been licking or biting at her incision, so she's been doing really well. Also got a broccoli here, tucked in here with the peppers. It's so humid out here, it's hard to focus. Broccoli here. I did harvest a small head. This one, ooh, that doesn't look good, especially with all of the rain we're having. Sure didn't help. There's some more mint back there. My potatoes. This doesn't look good at all. Oh boy, that doesn't look good. The leaves are completely dried up. Wow. More tomatoes, tomatoes down here. See plenty of blossoms here. Yellow breakfast tomato there. Did I say what this one was? Yellow pear, beefsteak, Cherokee purple are some of the varieties that I'm growing here. Onions. This is the Sierra and this is the Candy, and I can see it bulbing up down there. Finally growing some onions for the first time. Some nice bulbing onions as opposed to the spring onions. So my eggplant, which has definitely taken a hit with the beetles, but they've grown more than 3 times its size. So I think they're definitely fighters. Nasturtium. There's another look at the squash and zucchini plants. This is a sunflower sticking up here. Corn. And here's my watermelon, sugar baby watermelon. Another one there. And another one in there. More lettuce, nasturtiums, strawberries, pineapple sage. There's another tomato plant stuck in there. Yeah, lots of tomatoes over here. All that rain definitely did it some good. I see it's fruiting. I'm not sure which one this is. These were some extras that I had that I just stuck in the grow bag. So I grow in grow bags, in ground, as well as the raised beds. Oh, look at my comfrey from G-Mama. Look how much it has grown, G-Mama. That rain did it some good. And look at the babies down there. Yeah, I'm going to be using this comfrey to help fertilize all of this. What else? This looks like some type of a flower. I'm not sure what. I dropped so many flower seeds. Okay, eggplant. This is another flower. Fenugreek. Planted down there. This looks like flowers as well. Basil. And this is my first time like growing flowers from seed. I usually go to the big box store and purchase flowers, and this year I just decided try to save some money and I'll plant the seeds myself. So a lot of these flowers I'm new at, so I'm not really sure what a lot of them are. I mean, I'd have to go back in and look at my seed packets to try to figure out what these are. I'll just wait and see who they are when they show themselves, so that'll be fun. Zinnias, I don't know, lots of stuff. Yeah, so the end of June garden is definitely looking very full. So if you go back and you look at April and May, huge difference in the size and the growth of the plants. Hopefully when you come back, when I bring you back next, the kale will have grown in. Surprise here from Auntie Ellen, the squash here. Look at that. It's getting bigger. Thank you, Auntie Ellen. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We're all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.